Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am Enzo.
Okay, how was your day?
My day was very busy.
Okay, what did you do all day?
Actually, the furniture work is going on at my home, so I was assisting them. The
Okay,
carpenters are there, so
okay,
whole day I was with them.
okay. I'm so sorry. Actually, my friend's dog is here and he's just not letting
Okay,
me. I'm so sorry, Atami. Do you
okay.
want to say hi to me?
Hey, hi.
Wait, I'll show you. I don't know how to turn the camera. Can you see him? Loki, can you say hi?
Okay, what, what's his name?
His name is Loki, and he's playing with.
Loki.
Yes.
Hi, Loki. Hey.
Loki, come here. See, he's saying hi to you. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay. So did you read the session document that was provided to you?
No, no. So because I was busy, so I didn't get time.
Okay. So do you want to talk about the session document or you want to talk about something else?
No, we can talk on any topic.
Okay.
By the way,
So
you are looking pretty today.
thank you so much. Okay. So since you said that you were going around with the furniture and everything, do you already know a lot about furniture or this is just something that you were doing as an extra help?
No, no, I don't know much about the furniture, but it is going on at my home. So I was there to uh, just like supervising.
Okay,
How are
okay.
they doing and where we need to make some things. I was telling them that there this something need to be done, and we
Okay.
want this here and this here. And
Okay. Okay. And did you watch any movies recently?
yes, I was Sher Shah recently.
Okay. And can you
Uh,
tell me something about that movie?
yeah, movie was a totally fantastic movie, and the role played by what's his name,
Siddharth Malhotra.
Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara. They both nailed the roles.
Yes. And can you tell me something about the movie? Can you explain the movie to me?
Yeah, the movie is all about the our martyr Vikram Batra. This almost biography of Vikram Batra and how he fought in the war and how he sacrificed his life for a country and won the war for a country.
Okay. Okay. And do you know something about the.
And also
Yeah, yeah,
also
please go ahead.
his love story is also there with Dimple Chima.
Yes. Yes.
So Kiara Advani also did great job.
Yes. Agreed. 100%. We've seen very few good movies.
So
Recently, and Shesha was one of them.
so have you also watched movie?
Yes. Yes. I saw it with my parents 3 4 days ago.
Sorry.
I saw it with my parents 3 4 days ago.
Yeah, it's like whole family
Yes.
movie.
Yes.
Even after a long time, it is a movie we can watch with our parents, I think.
Yes, yes. So did you
Isn't
see the
it?
movie? Did you see the movie with your parents or you saw it alone?
No, with my friends. I was out of town at my friend's place in the also where he was there.
Okay, okay. And any English movies that you've seen recently?
No, not recently. Yeah, I watched before, which was Pursuit of Happiness, a long time ago,
Okay.
almost 1 year ago.
Okay. And can you tell me something about that movie?
His movie is all about finding happiness, is according to as per his title. It is like finding happiness, and the role played by Will Smith. And there are many kind of motivational inspirational movie. We can learn a lot from this movie.
Yes, agree.
How
Agree.
he struggle, how we struggle with this financial family problems. Even his, I think his wife left him.
Yes.
He lived with his little kid.
Yes. Yes. So do you know
So
that
that was the last movie.
son, like in real life also their father and son, Jaden Smith, the boy, the little boy
No,
that plays
no.
the role of the son.
Is it so?
Yes. So they are actually
Oh,
in life also they are father and son. So the name of the
oh,
boy is Jaden Smith.
oh, that's nice.
Yes.
I didn't know, but now I will
Yes.
tell
Yes. Like
maybe.
he's actually really grown up now and he's become.
Yeah,
But yeah, that's
uh, he also acted well in that
yes.
movie. According, as per his father is a famous Hollywood actor, so he's also doing
Yes.
great.
Yes, 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 definitely. So,
Yeah.
talking about that movie, what was something that you took off from that movie that you learned or probably was life changing for you? Could you take up anything from that movie?
One thing was there that God is always there for help us. Like that kid tell the story when he came and they once there was a flood and God asked me, God asked the person to. There is a story. The little one uh, narrate to his father. I think you remember or not. Just kind of poem. Remember na, that one?
Yes,
So that
some
story hit me.
when there was a
Uh,
man drowning, God sent someone for help with a boat.
Yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
exactly that one.
So
So
he
that
sent one
story,
boat and he drowned. Then he sent the other boat and he was still, asking for help. And when he finally died, he asked God that,
yeah, God will save me, but God was sending.
yes, yes,
Yeah, amazing. So that story, I think, took off that movie because
yes,
if not God will come and just put food on our plate. At least we need to do something. Then God will help us. So that is the kind.
yes,
At least that person should took help of that person who God sent to. So
yes,
that is the
definitely.
story I like the most about the movie.
Yes, definitely. Did it make you cry? Did you cry once the movie was about to get over or during the film?
No, I didn't. Though I am kind of emotional, but at the time I didn't cry.
Okay. Okay. Like we are living in a world where, we come from families where we have a lot of good facilities and everything. But what do you think about those who are not as privileged as us? What do you think about that?
Pardon, can you please repeat?
So we come from a family background where we are very privileged because we have a lot of facilities and amenities. But there are a lot of people that come from a family background where they do not have those facilities. So what is your take on that?
As far as I think, I if they don't have privilege, and that's not very good. But still, they can come out of it if they try hard, work hard, plus smart work. They can do it. There are certain example, and if we talk about many famous people, they all were just from even very poor or below poverty line. Just like Shah Rukh Khan used to wash glasses of tea at tea stall. Rajnikant was a bus conductor. Uh, Jeff Bezos was working at McDonald's. So there were many stories. So they also can learn from that, and if they have confidence, they have skills, they have perseverance. So they also can do better in their life. It's not all about the as the Bill Gates says that if you are born in a poor family, it's not your fault. But if you die in a poor family, it's totally your fault.
Yes, yes, yes. Agreed. 100%.
Uh,
Yes. So
so
I want to ask you a question. What do you think is more important, experience or education?
I think experience is more important.
Okay.
I will give preference to experience. I'm not neglecting the thing of education, but still I would go with the experience.
Okay. And
Because
why
if
do
you
you think so?
because just imagine these days the college degree are just for like I have this degree, but we don't know. For example, I take example of myself, like I have done BBA, but I don't know much about BBA. I don't
Okay.
have experience because I did it like okay, going to college and fun, it's fun, and came to home, and then semester exam can be just study one day before the exam and just wrote the exam.
Yes.
It would have been better if I worked in a company rather than.
Okay.
So that experience will more important than the degree I have.
Okay.
Degree
Okay.
is just like okay, I have this degree.
Okay. And did you ever intern with some company while you were studying?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. And you're planning to give a job interview, right now, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, no, yeah, I have given that interview.
Okay, you already gave the interview.
Yeah, just 19th of August.
Okay, and how was it?
Yeah, it was, according to me, and as it was my first interview, so I did my best. I think it couldn't be better.
Okay, and what were the questions they asked you? Did it help the previous session, the interview thing that we had? Did that help you anywhere?
Yeah, a little bit we can say, but the question was like, what is your what this course he has to do with your past degree like BBA? As this is program is all about public policy and management. So I said that BBA is also about the management. So I know something or some skills about some knowledge about the management. So I think that would help me somehow in this program also.
Okay, that's a nice answer. And what else did they ask you?
And apart from that, they ask you what you have done uh, in this field earlier. Like it was rural development. So I narrated the story that we did something in the lockdown. There was a scheme by the government of MP for providing subsidy to the farmers for their agricultural machines. So there was one guy who was filling form for 300 per form, and that was free for farmers. So me and my friend decided to do that, and we just rented a laptop and then and purchased a second-hand printer, and then we started filling the form. So we filled at least 100 or more than that forms with just 20 rupees.
Okay, wow, that's great.
And we charge 20 rupees just for people don't misuse it. It's because if you are or maybe anyone getting something for free, so they would apply for all the machineries even if they don't want. So that's why we keep charge 20 rupees so that they only apply for the particular machine that they really want.
Okay,
And we
that's
somehow
really nice.
and somehow we earn some money so that uh, the laptop and printer we rented, we pay the money through that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's really nice. And were you able to raise that much money?
Yeah, it was like sufficient amount. At least we were in profit if I talk about.
Okay, okay, that's really
Not
nice.
much
And
profit, but whether it is 100 rupees, but just profit is profit, no matter how much it is.
yes, definitely spoken like a
And
true.
the and the profit is not big deal, but the big deal was that we learned a lot, and I narrated this incident in my interview. So I think the best work I have done so far.
Okay, and what else did they ask other than this?
What do you want to join this program? So I said that I was born and brought up in a rural area. So I know certain issues and observe certain issues regard around the rural area with the farmers and rural. So I can do better in this field as I have experience, and I have been living since my childhood in the rural area. So I know that how policy is implemented there and what can be better.
Okay, okay, is that it, or they asked more questions?
Yeah, there was a question. What will you do after that?
What will
After
you do
this after
after
this program?
the talk with them?
So I told them that I will, after getting the experience of this program, so I will work for my rural community and try
Okay.
to create more employment and try to improve livelihood of rural community.
Okay, okay, that's a really nice answer. And
Yeah,
did you like talk to people who were also sitting for the interview round or something like that? Did you try to communicate with few people?
yeah, I communicated.
And how was it? How was the experience like?
Experience was nice as it was my first interview, so I think I did my best and it was
Okay.
fine.
And when are the results gonna come out?
It can come within 8 days, I think.
Within 8 days. Okay. And
Approx. It's not fixed date, but as per the past experience.
okay. And was your body posture and everything correct? Were you straight?
Yeah, I was sitting as just you said that straight, and the hand was my on not my hand rester but on my leg. Just
Yes,
straight
yes,
down.
yes. That was really nice. And were there any ladies in the room, or was it
No,
all?
no, there were no lady. There were only two to men.
Okay, and how did you greet them?
I just, good evening, sir. Okay.
Okay, okay. And did they once you left the interview, was there any positive response? Like once your interview ended, did they say
Yeah, throughout the interview, they have a smile on their face, and they were just like enjoying the interview.
okay?
Yeah.
That's a really nice thing. Were you the only one, or were you there with your friends? Did your friends also apply?
No, no, I was only one there.
Okay, okay. And was it a little lonely for you because you were the only one? Were you scared?
I was little bit nervous before the interview, but once interview get started, I was frank with the panel.
That's really nice. I'm really happy that it turned out to be such a success. That's
Yeah, I
really
hope.
nice.
Yeah.
I really hope that you get the interview. I mean, you get the job that you're looking for.
I hope. Same.
Okay, I just want, we don't have much time on us. So I'll quickly like to correct your mistakes. Okay. It's not stand, it's stand. Can you say stand with me?
Stand with me.
Yeah, stand.
Stand.
Okay, so it's not stand. This is a mistake that you are making very often. Words start with S, with the letter S. Instead of just pronouncing it as sir, you pronounce it is sir. Is stand.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so make sure that
Stand.
stand. Okay, words that start with S. Can you pronounce this word? I'm just going to send it in the chat box. Pronounce this.
School.
Yes. Okay, it's not it's school, it's school.
Oh, school.
Okay, so you just need to put a little bit of practice on words that start with S. Other than that, I feel you were super confident, and I've seen a lot of growth in you from day one. I think maybe because now you've seen me 2-3 times, you're really comfortable with me, but your speaking style has improved.